Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka online 10 service center ringkat ke Jinghikai trelang buat kejan Shikshan Sansthan. Hakish photo risau arja arpusan. Kalau penong yang jimpen kop burom neka skill convocation yaki Samla pulih ki Pyndep ke Jinghikai hak computer course. Kidon sau pongot ki kena ki Pyndep ke computer course lingba ke scheme kejan Shikshan Sansthan ki yo ke certificate mendaksni. Uba Juban Lang Kharbi Keo Managing Director Online 10 Service Center habakran shikilap thai khobor ulong bakani ke chaka Jinghikai kidon bon jat ke Jinghikai ki bo hapun thorba bat ha maukhar ki bukan thop ke Jinghikai hujing khon ke MPSC DSC MPS ke Jinghikai ban sojan ke Jinghikai ke music class bat ki wei
Kenapa? Saya lupa. Okay. Stop delay you. One boy who's actually a drug addict, and she comes home at 2-3 o'clock, and the mother was worried. That's the same thing. Your mom also will be worried about you if you do such things. So I said, "You do one thing. I'll come to your house. I'll speak to the girl." And I spoke to her, and she said that sir, I've not started drugs, but yes, my boyfriend takes drugs. I just tell her one thing: you are playing with fire. Please stay your distance away from this boy. So this is a story because why I'm saying this, because I've seen here very few males, more of them are all females, and please be wary. A lot of people will try to, to ruin your life, and please be smart enough, okay? And don't be carried away with all these things. Whatever you see in YouTube and all, those are all I mean, not you. Build up your life and be someone that your parents will be proud of. Your parents will not be proud if you are taking drugs, you come home late at night, they will not be proud. They'll be proud that, what is your daughter doing? My daughter has got 2 boutiques. They'll be proud if they ask you, what is your daughter? No, my daughter has set up a small factory. They'll be proud like that, right? Okay, no parent will be proud that my son or my daughter is a drug addict. So I take this opportunity, and God will bless you. And I'm not exaggerating, but I'm telling you, this is the first time that central government has put up so many schemes for you all to grow. Just one example also I'll give you, because these are all my personal experience. There's one boy from my locality who used to be a tourist driver, and he was not, he didn't have that qualification. Now then he requested, there was one scheme, so I helped him with this one scheme, and now he's an owner of a vehicle costing 24 lakhs. That sounds to be a very big money, but the good part is that 10 lakhs has been borne by the government, and he has to pay a loan of just 14 lakhs and with very minimal rate of interest. So rather than you spend time all, take it, you watch their Facebook, doesn't matter, but rather than spend too much time in that, go through all these various schemes, and try to see which one of these schemes fit you for whatever you want to do. We are there, you want to, they are there, we are there, anytime, and I'm just happy if, any of the young kids like you come to me and say, so what is the advice and what is the suggestion? We'll just be happy to see that you all make it one day. And I'm very sure each one of you will do it and you will make it big. Thank you. God bless you.
For kadang mi itu ke scheme ke day ke adult education program. Kumno ban hikai ban nang ban thok ban tar gini ki beriuk kom nang ban thok ban tar. ki wan school ki gme ki pa kat ba ki kon ki kelag ki jaga te ka ai ki jing ka ba ni syam ka dong ba ka wei ni syania ka gran ka wei ki jing duk hi jami te na du ba ka ni government monak sentra government kala persyang ban penmi ki skim ki pun kom na ka benta kini ki ba trei ha ki kam na jong ke rengkat kani ki jing ai training na ka benta kum ba pilai yo training har ki jong ki benta te ke jing ai jing mot ke jing kit bok ke jong ai pi ka lang ba pi ha ban jet ha ba pi trei lang ban nur ban jet ki nang e kersan ki biang ki bas ngo thu ki jing ban kam jo pi la ka long na yeng na sam la ka long ki ba yeng na sam namar ni duk ni sitam bat pin hap sha sitam si por ar por la da pi kwa no e ki yo mi toi tang han den system asnem kam pal lang fi yo i ha bangi pe football ki si athu khana ki khon mo ki to ki pra samla ta ki ong pa pin tip utai ste uba ye le kai utai tu ba ki su le tam teu khana suro Tenre nikli tam bio iya kijing trei hitom kijing trei minot kebo ke kerdan don kijing nang don tenre bong nang kata gaji le kai ko mungkin nang ini balik kerja ki kelam milioner pi ladangin do yap te kampoi sini te kijing tu ke jong na kalong ba pin ya tip bril tip blai ni ki khon khasi kara ni long ki bril tip blai yet kijing alam ke jong blai kiaran na kini ki jing ya dai perlok bat kito ki ba pi bomla ban yalam ti si jing ha bat trei si tom nei baret wat kerke ya ka jing yo jong pi ke babon ti wei experience bang yo ngadon wei perlok mari kendo yuta nganom ya tu bertang mo te kai ke bau dai kai ke bau keren ke ba pi susngo ke ba biang lada pikeli haden arsngi pi wanang no ang adam na kini kisngi sedalhi ko se uban ni selong utau de ubreu ban nang ma ban keren ban ngadang kan mau ki por penyedang ya setting set yang syarat hab ye yin yang syarat keleng-keleng nomor bom dap pat mi gari gas utau wong ngadon petrol pom pi ko kan no kumta umdon ne ye utau banang ma ban pembet mentar udang don te kajia ayu namar kijing kuat bisa palat utau sangat haka drops sisien kila kem itu urang ye saro te sisien kila kem tenre la biang ngalik pe hajian guru tenang ngalik pe hajian u dangar rum ngapi upriu pimi gu mosong jen une tip top ka juti phanai ka sopti ka bai ka hado ba ngamla ban perkhat tengong tip cái bajie phi kum ne ki pharap kum ne umtai ka ta tengom tip ka badai ka bande tewong ngam kwa ban mi nglayo mi pio sno hado apo jil ong ngam kwa ban mi nglayo mi tengong balai pada em kwa ko kot kan clear rot di pro khai to ka dei ka ta ka wai ten re la dei yo mi de ban mi ti sngo bha wat nom kwa palat wat nom kenjo sha ba jingai sedang ni barit pin COE pin hab ban jauh man pin hab ban kie nang step kumboyo isar ngalayo ki kena samla ta abangi persang ban alam ban le kai football hab le kersion batia te si bejero pi kie na batia le mare football tang si phang la lum kerang la thia sharot mundon la ye sho ties ngobha kanu ko ba pi pas pendon kam trei sitom te lada pidei ki surrounding sini pi kwa jingmot ban a jingarap ya phi kan ni ka tai ro ngi long koloi habingi ya tre ka kam na ka benta ka jingbit jingbiang jong ka imlang ka salang
kani kasi bakar pang na ka benta ki students dan kita ki trainees jong ka online training center kabadan huni pa Mokar main road hangi mot prani kumba pitip kani ka online training center kadai balawan ra dai demanga nadu senam ajakat pranga sengke center di hauza ausnem azar puwe nya sangi training center banyak trai kam ringkat bagi department prepare nadu ka MSSDS ngilak persang mentah ban yo ki projects mentah dia bakajan chicken sustain ru ngilak persang lalu kata ru kidon ki institute nasya baru ki ba aya ki tu ki correspondence training jong ki lalu kata pada dia hakani kasi bakar pang pada kuma PE schedule jong ai get flex kepada ni bakajan chicken sustain kepada ni po East Khasi Hills district hagaba ka Ministry of Entrepreneurship and Skill Development program ki ya hakani center ke jong di hakani kasi kadai kasi bang ngila sam kerpang ya kata ka certificate chikini kena gi jongi ka badai convocation skill convocation di ngiran hang ni program officer jong ka chan section sa sen East Khasi Hills district let's say la dawi pi keli pensa kam su thum
Ambo kan utra gini kena gi bayo iki certificate mentaksi certificate bayo mentaksi kan umut
mentasi ngila sam gi sau ko dik certificate di kumakalong mentan program yang sam kan dia bakan shim yang program ke jongi di sau ko ki kena ki Pyndep ya kanika training program haka computer courses handai mentaru kadang running kaju ke program jong ka janji sensasan kadang ya in progress haga by day ke beautician haga by day ke tailoring kumjuru mentah ka computer classes kadang once ko ke batch na ka janji sensasan hi ka belong ke scheme ke bawan syaka online training center lengbaga janji sensasan East Khasi Hills district
haya gini ki kena ki bayal le ki training ki jaka ki ba training
kumba kalong mentah kan training program na ka online training center ka don hapo pentorba ba hapo mau khar ka bade ke center ka balong rai de manga di ringkat bagajing training kat bakanika janjo East Khasi Hills
kemudian doa jakpra do mata ko bakan ngut trai kena ki pula Pyndep ini training pot kan ngut nak ki pula yo jing mentoy leng bakanika training ko
hadu mentah ki bala Pyndep namar pa yakan program kumba kalong mentah kan program yang asang lulus nam arjar pulai di nabi arjar pulai kumba kalong kini haka tu por bang asang haus nam arjar pulai ringkat bagajan section sasan haka tu por niyo ban run bit baru haki training center na do tailoring ka computer class ba beautician ngila yo lai batch imagine mapi lai batch kidan arpong ki kena ka batch the license arpong lalong report din report sin lai lalong real sin lai lalong kan pra ka machi spa pra haus nam arjar pulai haus nam arjar pusau ka her hendiat ka kam haga ba ngile ka training kidaw kini naman bagadan ka MP election kadang ka jing thut ba ya ka janji kin sa senru naman ka bun bhaga ka bun ka jini ka janat ka ba naga janji kin sa senru kamla ban tri kam hok ndai nakaliang jo ka online training center kala persangkat bala ban lum ki khna ndai ga ngi naman bagadan ka election kala thut ba di unus nem arjar pesan tentang kalau meng gomju kalau thik ko mutus nem arjar pulai ban ngi yo ban tri shoot ham ko ma pi imentan ki khna ka tu kidang dei tang si benta jong ka program gitu kendang don shoot ki khna ki ban join thamai ya ka tailoring ya ka gomju ya ki program ki bamde na ka jan section sa stan ki banga nga kan tiwi kina samla ha ka bai dei bat ka coaching class na kam ta ka MPSC DSC migle police exams ka balong ban hikai ki kina kum do bikin job ha ki exams ko prepare la ka long ha ka state level ha ka district level la ka long bat ha ka union level ru tamaya ka ya MPSC mentang empat sang kan sang tang MPSC DSC bat ka migle police then lalu kita apa ngale ru ki creative activities ki creative program ha ka bai dei ka music class ha ka ba nga Jinghikai ki kina hadu mentang ki kina ka jungi gidan dak nu sau phong san phong ki kina ki badi music class di ngenang continue ki kam hapo mau khar branch ru but kum bakalong happen thor ru ka ya bi kita thank you
sir you have anything to say about this program
I'll first say what is Jan Shikshan all about. GSS East Khasi Hills we initially started in the year 2022. So far this is the year 2025 and we have trained more than 5,000 students. Each year we have to train 90 batches and per batches comprises of 20 students. So we have almost reached all the localities in East Khasi Hills, means all the blocks, all the 11 blocks we have reached, and we have trained in many trades like bamboo craft, then assistant dressmaker, beauty care assistant, food processing. Now, now we have opened another center which is known as Tribal Skilling Center. So it is in Nongra and we have recently opened this and we will be again providing the skill training only to the tribal people. So most probably we'll be started working from this year. Okay.